time to do the
Oh, you
tie-break
fucking idiot.
question and answer. It's between Dominic,
He hates that.
Chris,
I hate it when people like brake when you're trying to do that as well. It's just like when you're trying to join the motorway, and you brake because it's not your right of way, and then they brake as well, so then they just stay right next to you. I hate that.
And he's so lovely. Oh, he's so lovely. Hey, listen, I'm going to go. I've got to go home. Thank you for listening. I can't tell you how much we appreciate you listening to the show. We started the show. That's where Damien was sitting in. I think he's worried. Easy. He just wants to find out what the team sheet is for Leeds United game tonight. So, Ed Sheeran, you tweeted. Do you have your phone on you, by the way?
Yeah.
I don't have a phone. Damien, if you're listening, get Nick to tweet it. Tell Damien to get Nick to tweet. Okay. Account. Right. So hang on, so you don't have a phone?
I'll get all the stuff in the fridge, get out of the fridge, in the bowl, ready to go in less than 15 minutes.
Ready? I'll let you say stop.
Stop.
Chorizo, turkey and sweet potato hash.
Oh, easy. Smash that in about 9 minutes.
Get live!
No problem. I'll send you the link when I go live and you come off the live.
No, I'll be watching you. Have you eaten this morning?
Oh, you really have got me breakfast? Wow.
The body coach.
Nice and full and everything. Let's see what's here. Oh, so I got there and I was running with my mate who'd been training really hard, so we'd done the first half in like 90 minutes and then it suddenly got to like the halfway point, my knee just went and I had to walk the whole way. It took me 6.5 hours to do. The mall was empty, I got overtaken by a man dressed in a giant pair of testicles and the walking sticks were walking past me, and so the moral of the story is definitely train but progressively, like you need to really ramp that up over time.
Have it? She goes, are you sure? And he goes, yeah, because I've got lots. And but
he's leaning in 50.
Like that's how he does it at the end of all his Instagram videos, and it's like, yeah, that's right. I think that's why he started doing the editing. Okay, it's a lovely part of the world.
Beautiful spot.
So why did you move down there?
I moved there to get away from. I had some financial issues.
Right, let's bring Jack Whitehall in. Jack's in the building, so we're going to get him in and have a bit of a chat. He's on tour, so he's like mid-tour. Here he is, look! It's handsome Jack Whitehall.
Stopped on double yellows.